for the blind. We made a blind stick. We made a stick for the blind that will have a motor and that will have a Bluetooth connectivity. So by Bluetooth, by wireless, it is connected to the sleeve, the shoe. Instead of shoe, I call it as a sleeve because shoe means you have to buy it. Sleeve means you can put it in any of the shoes. So you have to wear the sleeve and that will give you the navigation. That will guide you. That will guide the blind, like in case that he should not step into the pit, or in case that will have connectivity with the stick also. So that will have moisture sensor, that will have a proximity sensor, and that will be guiding you step by step. So in order to increase the voltage, what we did on the piezoelectric device is that in order that the shoe should extract more voltage, we were giving piezoelectric crystals on parallel. So one cell over the other, and we gave both series in parallel combination. In parallel combination, the voltage remains the same and current increases, and in series combination, voltage increases and currents remains the same. So accordingly, we were giving series parallel combinations, and we were using 16 piezoelectric crystals in 1 foot with 4 layers. So when more pressure is given on the shoes, on the sleeves, what happens? For every pressure there will be electric pulses, and that is again filtered, and that is again given back to the battery. From the battery it is stored as well as it is retrieved, energy is retrieved. So it was a wonderful project what the EEE boys did, and we also took this to the IEEE Expo. We took this piezoelectric transducer device to the IEEE Expo. And so I'm telling this example because it's just a factor of motivation for you, that you also should come out with some kind of invention, just not just reading the books and listening and going. No, you have to come out with this kind of new thoughts. I was talking about this yesterday. A foot mat, normally what we put in our home to rub the dust before you enter into the home. A foot mat, a long foot mat which is having a piezoelectric effect. Yes, you can try, so that you can, whenever you go in and come out, you can actually harness some energy. I even thought of this, a pedestal, a speed breaker, normally a speed breaker, which is having this piezoelectric function. Okay, so as to control or to provide power for the electrical the traffic light signal. I was thinking, okay, maybe at the entrance of our PSNI college we can put a speed breaker that is having this piezoelectric effect, so that we have hundreds of cars coming in and going out. So every time when 1000 kg, when a 1-ton car, when it hits the speed breaker, automatically you will have plenty of voltage, plenty of electric power generated, and those power you can collect, you can